Good morning, you guys. I'm just following up on a frequently asked questions that I get usually all the time in my Instagram DMs and sometimes my subscribers in my channel. So we're going to explain on how to do a flame map and how to get it, you know, any preventative maintenance stuff, how to shoot the flames on deceleration, how to do a backup camera trick, you know, watching your flames through the OEM backup camera. So without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty, so first things first, you will want to get a, for how to get a flame map and a tune, you have to either get a tune through email or a reputable VQ specialist shop. I went to RT Tuning up in Pennsylvania because I live in Delaware, and I made 326 262 with just Motordyne art pipes, Z1 intakes, and a Motordyne catback exhaust. So the main goal here is, in order to get, you know, flame map or anything like that, the biggest restrictions are the terrible OEM Nissan Infiniti cats. They are known to break and go out at, like, I want to say around any given time after 60,000 miles. On this platform, you would only have to go to the reputable shop. You have to ask for either UpRev or EcuTech only tuning software for VQs. Don't get the chip, you know, bully dog chip tuners, because, you know, that does not work, and you're going to waste yourself some pretty good money for, you know, what you can be spending for UpRev or EcuTech or whatever. But like I said, the prerequisite things in order to shoot flames and get good numbers is just your three main things, actually, is getting a long tube cold air intake, your catback, and you can get test pipes. So I'm going to show you how to toggle maps. So I'm on UpRev. So what we're going to do here is, it's going to be different on EcuTech, but what we're going to do is going to hold down the set button all the way down, cancel, hit 5 times. It depends on a different map number. So I'm going to hold down to cancel and hold down the set button, actually, and hit the cancel button 5 times. Alrighty, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it should blink 5 times. I actually do have a separate video on how to do the backup camera, but I'm going to show you again anyway. So all you got to do is you got to make sure you have your climate control off and your radio off, otherwise it will not work. And you have to hit the setting button right here. Hold that setting button while rotating this knob for at least 2 to 3 seconds, and you'll see a secret menu. Okay, so once you see the secret system diagnostic menu, go to confirmation adjustment, go all the way down to where you can see camera, and then once you hit that, you go to correct draw line of rear view camera, and then that's it. You will see some, you know, your camera will be on all the time, and then if you want to get out of it, just keep spamming the back button. And like I said, your climate control and your radio will not be on during to first gear. So how to do it, you just rev it all the way out, and then on deceleration, all you gotta do is tap and blip the throttle on deceleration, and then you can have some flames. Couple more weeks left to 2020, so that's about it. And have a good day. Happy holidays. Stay safe.